Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fine. As you know that we are doing integer chapter. Today we are going to learn some more thing in this chapter. We are going to learn how to solve some brackets and how to use the exact sign when the all signs are come together. We use the formula of BODMAS and then I will tell you how we use the brackets. Okay, so it's so easy. All the rest. Simplification of the bracket. First of all, we just introduce what type of brackets is it. If you see this type of sign, it means it is a big bracket. If you see such type of sign, it is curly, so you can say that curly bracket. It is a small sign, so you can say that small bracket, and it's a small line, so you can say that it is a bar bracket. So whenever we solve the brackets, we solve first the bar bracket, second small bracket, third curly bracket, and in the fourth the last big bracket. So this is the actual sequence to solve the brackets when all the brackets comes together in any problems. Now another one, you have already knows these rules, that is BODMAS. Okay, so BODMAS means B for brackets, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Okay, so this is the sequence. Whenever all signs come together, plus, minus, divide and multiply, these all signs come together, which sign we use first? If you confuse which sign you have to use first, then we use this sequence. First we use sign of division, or you can say that first we divide the both number which are having the sign of division, then multiplication, then addition, and then in the last subtraction. So we will apply this both formula in our exercise. So first question of exercise 1.5. It is a very simple, given that 25 minus 15 divide 5 plus 4 is what? What is the reason? Now if we see the question very carefully, all the sign comes together in this question except multiplication. So we use this rule, BODMAS, means BODMAS. There is no bracket, so we not use this sign. D for division. Is there any sign of division? Yeah, there is a sign of division. So we start. First we divide 15 by 5, so 5 3s are 15. Then write the other number as it is, no need to change. Even we have not changed the sign also. Then M for multiply. Is there any sign of multiply? No. Now please check which number are positive. It's 4 and 25. These both are positive. So add this number. So it's 29 minus 3. Now subtract this number. So it is 26. It is your answer. Is that clear? It is so simple. Question number 3rd. It is clearly written, simplify the following. That's it. Now first of all we have to check. It's a minus 3 bracket multiplied minus 12. It is in the bracket. Minus 6, minus 5. There is only one bracket is used, that is small bracket. So first of all we remove the small bracket. Okay, so it's minus 3 multiplied minus 12 divided by minus 6 minus 5. Okay, now these rules, BODMAS, sign of division is there, so we divide this number. 6 2s are 12, So 2, the others remain same, there is no changes. Okay, now m for multiply. Okay, so first we multiply this number, 3 2 ja 6 minus 6 minus 5. Okay, so minus minus plus we have learned in the earlier classes, so it is 11 and sign of the 11, sign of minus will be used. So this is the answer. Is that clear? It is so simple. Now we are moving to the question number 7. First check what is written. We have to simplify. 7 minus big bracket minus 3 plus 5 of 6 minus curly bracket minus 5 plus small bracket 6 multiplied 3 minus 8, and all brackets are closed. So we have applied this formula, BODMAS. Now check brackets of. First we solve small bracket. Okay, so it is a small bracket is here. Okay, so in the small bracket what it is given? It is the sign of multiply is given. So first we multiply because there is no sign of division. Okay, the sign of multiplication. So 6 3 is 18, 18 minus 8, और बाकी इसको पूरा का पूरा ऐसे वैसे लिखना है. Write all the numbers with their sign along with the brackets as it is. No need to change. Okay. जहाँ चेंज करना है पहले इसको सॉल्व कर दो, बाकी उसको कोई चेंज नहीं करना है, तो आपकी कभी गड़बड़ नहीं होगी. ठीक है. नाउ small bracket solve करना है. 18 minus 8, so it is 10. Now small bracket has been solved, so we no use to small bracket. Now curly bracket and plus sign minus 5 curly bracket. See, small bracket is closed. Okay, it has been solved. Now we will move to the curly bracket. So minus plus minus 10 minus 5 5. Now see, it has been also solved, so we no need use to curly bracket, so it has been solved. Now apply this 6 of 5 plus minus 3 minus 7. Okay, so now there is a big bracket, but there is a sign of. What does means of? Of means there is a sign of multiply. Okay, what is the sign of multiply? So we apply 5 multiplied 6 minus 5 plus 3. Okay, is that clear? So the remaining question I will solve here. Okay, now solve this one because m for multiply 5 6 are 30, right here 30. The others in the same manners we will not change anything by ourselves. Okay, हमारी तरफ से कोई चेंज नहीं करना. Then what will we do? We will apply here minus 5 and minus 3, that is minus 8 plus 30. Okay, 7 minus, this will solve, it's 22. Now if there is any sign, if there is any bracket and sign of subtraction is just outside of the bracket, the sign will be changed. 7 minus 22, so it's minus 15 is the answer. Is that clear? It is so easy. So what we have learned in this question? In this question we have learned the meaning of means multiply, and we have just solved in each subject, each try to solve each bracket, and then we move forward. Okay, so it's a time of homework. Do all the sum of exercise 1.5. Dear student, if you find any problem you can ask me without any hesitation. I will give you the solution in PDF file or in image format after solve. It could be in the same day or next day, doesn't matter, you can ask me anytime, okay? But before 7 in the evening, okay? So all the best.